Let's continue MCQ for Chemistry Lesson 8, Solutions in Everyday Life, Characteristics and Applications. So, MCQ number 1. Which of the following best describes a solution? A. Heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. B. A homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. C. A pure substance containing only one type of particle. D. A suspension that separates upon standing. Practice ay MCQ number 2. In a sugar water solution, which component acts as the solvent? A. Sugar. B. Water. C. Both sugar and water. D. Neither sugar nor water. MCQ number 3. Which solution property explain why salt dissolves readily in water? A. Solubility. B. Malleability. C. Conductivity. D. Volatility. Practice problem ay MCQ number 4. Which household product is an example of a liquid-liquid solution? A. Salt water. B. Vinegar. C. Soft drink. D. Alloy. Number 5. Which term describes the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a solvent at a specific temperature? A. Concentration. B. Solubility. C. Dilution. D. Saturation. MCQ number 6. A brass alloy is an example of what type of solution? A. Gas in liquid. B. Solid in solid. C. Liquid in liquid. D. Gas in gas. MCQ number 7. Which of the following is an example of gaseous solution? A. Carbonated soda. B. Brace. C. Vinegar. D. Sugar solution. Or B. Brass. MCQ number 8. In environmental science, the dissolved oxygen water is an example of A. Solid-solid solution. B. Gas-liquid solution. C. Liquid-liquid solution. D. Gas-gas solution. MCQ number 9. What does concentration of a solution refer to? A. The temperature of the solvent. B. The amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent. C. The density of the solution. D. The type of solvent used. MCQ number 10. Which of the following is an example of a supersaturated solution? A. Tea with no sugar. B. Salt water with undissolved salt. C. Carbonated water left open. Letter D. Honey holding more sugar than normally dissolves at room temperature. MCQ number 11. Vinegar is a solution made of A. Acetic acid dissolved in water. B. Sodium chloride dissolved in water. C. Sugar dissolved in water. D. Alcohol dissolved in oil. MCQ number 12. In the steel industry, steel is considered a solution because it is a compound of iron and carbon. B. A mixture of metals forming a solid solution. C. A suspension of carbon in iron. D. Heterogeneous mixture. MCQ number 13. Which household product is an example of a gas-liquid solution? A. Vinegar. B. Carbonated drink. C. Cooking oil. D. Sugar syrup. MCQ number 14. What factor increases the solubility of most solid solutes in water? A. Decreasing temperature. B. Increasing temperature. C. Lowering pressure. D. Decreasing solvent amount. MCQ number 15. What happens to the solubility of gases in liquids when temperature increases? A. Solubility increases. B. Solubility decreases. C. Solubility remains constant. Solubility first increases, then decreases. MCQ number 16. Which environmental issue is linked to solutions in the atmosphere? A. Air pollution caused by the dissolved gases and particles. B. Soil erosion caused by water runoff. C. Noise pollution caused by vibrations. D. Earthquakes caused by tectonic movement. MCQ number 17. A mixture of two or more metals is called A. Suspension. B. Alloy. C. Emulsion. D. Compound. MCQ number 18. Seawater is an important solution in environmental science because it contains A. Only sodium chloride. B. A mixture of salts, gases, and organic matter dissolved in water. C. Only water and oxygen. D. Pure hydrogen and oxygen. MCQ number 19. In household cleaning products, ammonia solution is commonly used. What type of solution is this? A gas dissolved in liquid, a liquid dissolved in gas, C. Solid dissolved in liquid, D. Liquid dissolved in solid. MCQ number 20. Which part of solutions is important in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Solubility of active ingredients in solvents. B. Hardness of solutes. C. Malleability of solvents. D. Density of the container. The answer key for our chemistry lesson, Roman numeral number 8, solutions in everyday life, characteristics, and applications, is as follows. For numbers 1 to 5. For numbers 6 to 10. For numbers 11 to 15. For numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.